Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, let's have a look at the AOSiP ROM for the LG V30. So let's get started. First of all, I have enabled the developer settings here too. There is some usual stuff here, nothing out of the ordinary. And you have the language as an input option here. Now moving on. You have digital well-being available here. That is obviously available on most spy ROMs if you install the correct Google apps. And yes, you have to separately install Google apps with this particular ROM. Now moving on, you have all the usual stuff here. And under the sound section, you will find the option for Hi-Fi Quad DAC. So that's great to see here. Now moving on to the Owl's Nest. But before that, let's have a look at the battery here. So battery life on this ROM has been pretty good for me. As you can see here, there are some straight lines here while I was sleeping, and during that time the deep sleep was great on this ROM. I'm using the stock kernel here on this ROM. So this is the status bar options. You have some clock options, icons, and do know that GeoVolt does not work on this particular ROM, and it does not work on any custom ROM. So if you really want GeoVolt, then you shouldn't really be using custom ROMs. Now as you can see, we go through these options, and there's a minor bug here with this ROM, that is the Apn bug. You have to manually set up Apn or flash the Apn bug fix zip. And you have some other options for notifications here. And talking about the performance on this particular ROM, it has been amazing for me. Well, the thing is that I did not really need to use any custom kernel for performance here, because PUBG gameplay was very smooth for me on this particular ROM, and even the day-to-day performance was just extraordinary. This is one of the best ROMs that performs great without flashing any custom kernel. And this ROM is super fast and super smooth and fluid. And you have some AOSiP gesture options here as well, as you can see here. Now you have some advanced settings. As you can see, you have app ops, blink flashlight on call option, that kind of stuff. Now here you can see that there are quite a few custom tiles available here in the quick settings options, as you can see. And you have portrait columns, rows, and all these kind of stuffs. And you don't have very wide theming available on this ROM, but Substratum does work well here. There are only two themes, light theme and dark theme. I'm using the black AF theme. You have options for customizing the accent color here, so you have ambient music ticker that I have enabled. You even have always on ambient display option, and if you do not want always on option, there are several other options available here, and the ambient display works great here. You have the option to wake on plug while disconnecting or connecting the power source. So overall, this is a very well balanced ROM which is smooth and has great number of customization features. Obviously they are not as much as C-Android or let's say Resurrection Remix, but these are more than enough, particularly for me. So what do you think about this ROM? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you did like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.